Hello everybody, Average Gamer here, and welcome to another episode of Kerbal Space Program, this science for everything. So in the last episode, I significantly failed in my attempt to land our probe on the moon, the Mun. Um, yeah, yeah. Um, Things happened, things went wrong, and basically I done goofed, is what I'll say. Um, since we have no RCS on this thing, it definitely makes things a lot harder to control. Seriously, I have... This thing switches between propellants, but I thought I unlocked RCS. I could have swore I unlocked RCS. Well, here we go. We'll do fuel tanks real quick. Tank. You're good if I can swap you, say, with RCS fuel. You can do monopropellant. You are bloody huge. No, you, it won't let me switch. I want RCS. Just RCS. Plain old RCS fuel. There we go. Liquid fuel oxidizer. Liquid. Okay, it did say. That did say monopropellant, right? Yeah. 60 monopropellant. Oh, I actually realized you are useless. Those things are monstrous. I thought I unlocked RCS tanks. So I can take, say, that off. Pop that there. Take the legs and go times 6 for the legs. Do you there. Do you that. Right click here and say, you don't do it either. God, God damn it. Oh. So did I just get a whole bunch of like non RCS ibble? Oh, crap. Wait, if I did utility. Wait, I could have swore I unlocked RCS tanks. Don't save. Oh, no, I need 25 to unlock RCS tanks. Okay. So I need to burn 25. Oh, I know what I can do. I know exactly what we're going to do. We are going to do a test launch to the poles, to Kerbin polar orbit. I have no idea where the rest of our rocket went. Go. Load. So the Minmus launcher is going to test launch the rocket. We're going to test launch the rocket and our systems and our sciences at the Kerbin pole. Pole test. We're going to do some pole dancing. Some polar science tests. We're going to get our science from there. And then we're going to basically, collect it all, bring it all back. I don't have a heat shield on this thing. Son of a bitch. I need to revert the flight into vehicle assembly building, and I need to put a heat shield on the bottom of this thing. So it's one thing after another. Heat shield would go. Actually, I want to extend these legs first, real quick. Heat shield's going to go right there, so. Better. Alright, heat shield. I have a heat shield. I just recently unlocked one. So our fairing is going to be just a little bit higher now. Because we had to add in that little extra bit. Oh, no, I actually need to edit the whole thing. Wow, that almost looks like an actual, Atlas. Wow. I did that completely just by sheer coincidence. It looks actually like an Atlas. Sweet. We got a little bit more leeway there than we need, but we're just going to polar orbit and we're coming back. And we're basically landing, so. Oh, I need parachutes. Oh my god, I need to add so much extra stuff to this thing now. I wonder how many people at this current point are sitting back going, dude, what the fuck are you doing? Where can I put parachutes? I can probably put them like right underneath there, can't I? Utility. Lights. Oh, parachutes. Do 2 drogue chutes. We're gonna put them right on the. Oh crap! They don't connect to the battery. Okay. There we go. Move both of them in. Then we're gonna have 2 normal radial parachutes. Crap. Okay, those things are way much bigger than I thought they were going to be. Boom, 2 radio parachutes. Apparently 1 radio parachute. Boom. Now, how am I going to get solar panels on this damn thing? That I actually think that's pretty cool. Makes this a lot taller than I want, but no big deal. So, shroud, decoupler, shroud, decoupler. Oh, the heat shield, decoupler, parachutes, engine. Okay, well, engine is actually there. Right in that spot there. Wait a second. That, I don't like that. Okay. Saw that happening. There we go. Okay, so this goes, then this goes, this fairings go, this decoupler goes, gives us the heat shield, which I think I can make a little bit bigger now that I've got. Perfect. Once the heat shield has slowed us down considerably, the engine will then pop off and fire. Our legs will extend. And basically we will then at the same time, or when we, as we're getting closer, we'll pop our parachutes. Parachutes are basically there as the special part, the backup. We need to grind out that science, so here we go. So now we have to remember, instead of burning to the 90, we gotta burn north, which is that way. So here we go in 3, 2, 1, burn. We got a bit of a spin. Wow, that's loud. Let's unscrew that. Okay, I love you. Oh, okay, thank you, my dear. We're gonna then go to the north, just 70 degrees, because we're staying in our own orbit, right? So we're not too worried about accuracy. They burn out? They burned out. There they go. Now what I'm going to do is actually turn perpendicular, I guess you could say, with the north line. And then tell us... Oh, no, no, no! Wrong one, wrong one, wrong. Follow our prograde, please. So this way, when we go to pop both our tanks, one's not going to try to fall into us. They'll both fall... They'll either get pulled down or pulled up. Either way, they should avoid us. We're at almost 30,000 feet. Start seeing the stars. When we hit 30, I'm going to just hit stability assist. We're going to lock in at this angle for now. We have half tanks of fuel. I'm going to scroll out a little bit here so that you guys can actually hear me. We're burning pretty good. Let's give it a little bit of a right angled change there. We're doing pretty good. We're still in the atmosphere, so we're still getting, you know, a little bit of drag that's bringing the top of our rocket up naturally. We're not really getting as much altitude as I'd like. So I'm going to increase our throttle a little bit. To 2/3, just to burn off that last little bit of fuel. Basically, I burned too shallow, is what happened. And our engines are going to be cut off in a few seconds here. And now. I'm going to now deploy that. Even though we really can't do much, I'm going to deploy the solar panels anyways. Oh, sun's there. Never mind. We're good. Whoa. $77. Oh, wrong button. $86. Perfect. Now, we're going to aim for the 90. And go full burn. And now cut it. So we're just going to get to the pole here. I want to actually get just a full polar orbit, at least one orbit for us. So I'm actually going to cut our engine real quick. Tell it, okay, I want you to have a maneuver. Basically just putting us, whoa. I was going to say just putting us in a polar orbit. Nothing too fancy, nothing too crazy, but I want to get a little bit of speed involved. I'll tell it, okay, I want you to get me to where I need to go. It's only going to be a 30 some odd second burn, so... One of these days we'll get better control. And kabunk. So, super overpowered, you know, rocket, obviously, for what we're doing. What we're going to do is we're actually going to eject everything from... how much they're on. So we're just basically going to dump this middle stage here and let those two drop. Basically what we're going to do now, about here, maneuver. Whoa. What the hell just happened? Oh, our old maneuver node is still showing up. Here, add maneuver. I want to come in nice and steep over preferably the lighter, the flatter area. I also want to kind of come in on the sunny side, preferably. We're going to kind of aim for the first little bit of the mountains over there. Oh no, I decoupled again. Somewhere in here I hit the space bar an extra time. Ah. Well, let's try to aim this puppy at the where we need to go. Maybe we can still land. And somehow we have a problem here. We can only deploy 3 out of our 4 legs. I don't know why it won't do that. Huh. Okay. That's gonna be that for this episode. In the next one, we're going to try and figure out why we're only able to use 3 legs out of 4. What I'm going to do as a test, I'm going to take all of this and set it up as a sub-assembly. And call it Moon Lander Launcher. Save it and get rid of it. I'm going to set them all up like this and try to figure out why they're not extending, even though it shows that they should be. But that'll be in the next episode. We're actually going to save this ML2. All right, see you guys in the next episode. Bye-bye.